Welcome to the exciting world of JavaScript. Imagine a website without animation, interactive maps, or those cool drop-down menus. That's the web without JavaScript. Pretty bland, right? JavaScript is the programming language that injects life into the static structure of HTML and CSS. It transforms websites from digital brochures into dynamic applications. With JavaScript, you can create everything from simple animations to complex web games. It's the secret sauce that makes websites engaging and interactive. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a web page and CSS as its clothes. JavaScript is the muscle and nervous system, giving it the ability to move, react, and engage with the user. So, are you ready to learn the magical spells of JavaScript and bring your web development skills to life? Let's dive in. Just like any language, JavaScript has its own grammar rules known as syntax. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Let's start with variables, the containers we use to store information. In JavaScript, you declare a variable using OR, is used for values that might change, while is for values that stay the same. Think of it like this, is like writing with a pencil, you can erase and change it. Is like writing in pen. Once it's set, it stays that way. Here's how you declare a variable using letMessage equals sign hello there. We've created a variable named and stored the text hello there inside. Notice how text needs to be enclosed in quotation marks? That tells JavaScript it's dealing with a string of characters, not a number or something else. We can change the value of later because we used message equals sign welcome back, now holds a different greeting. Experiment with creating your own variables and storing different types of data, like numbers or even true-false values called booleans. Let's teach our website some tricks with functions. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Think of it like a recipe. It has a name, a list of ingredients, parameters, and instructions to follow. Here's how to define a simple function greet user. Alert, hello user. We've created a function named. When called, it will display a pop-up message saying hello user. But just like a recipe sitting on a shelf, it won't do anything until we use it. That's where events come in. Events are actions that happen on the web page, like a mouse click or a key press. We can tell JavaScript to execute a function when a specific event occurs. Let's say we have a button on our web page. We can use JavaScript to make something happen when the button is clicked. Document.getElementById myButton. Add event listener, click greet user. Now when the button with the ID myButton is clicked, the function is called and our pop-up message appears. Section 4, the Puppet Master, DOM manipulation. The Document Object Model, or DOM, is a way for JavaScript to interact with the HTML structure of a web page. Imagine the HTML of your web page as a tree. The DOM is like a map of that tree, allowing JavaScript to select and manipulate individual elements. Let's say we want to change the text of a paragraph with the ID myParagraph, HTML. This is some text, we can use JavaScript to do this. JavaScript document, getElementById myParagraph. Text content equals sign. This text has changed. We first select the paragraph element using its ID. Then, we use to access and modify its text content. Just like that, we've dynamically updated the web page content using JavaScript. We can do much more than just changing text. We can add or remove elements, change styles, and even create entire new elements on the fly. The DOM is our playground to dynamically manipulate the web page and create interactive experiences. Section 5, Hello World and Beyond. It's time to put everything together and create our first JavaScript program, a classic Hello World example. HTML. In this code, we first declare a variable called and store the text, Hello World in it. Then we use to select the paragraph element with the ID message and set its text content to the value of our variable. When you open this HTML file in a browser, you'll see Hello World displayed on the page. Congratulations, you've just written your first JavaScript program. This is just the beginning of your journey into the world of web development with JavaScript. There's a lot more to explore, from animations and data fetching to building full-fledged web applications. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun.